Mark the valve before disassembly. Disconnect the power by dismounting the plug. Use a screwdriver to lever the coil from the valve body. Disassemble the actuator system by removing the 4 screws. Lift off the actuator system. Use a permanent magnet to move the armature seal forward. Inspect the armature seal for dirt and clean if necessary. Inspect that the armature operates smoothly. Carefully remove the O-ring, inspect and clean. Unscrew the equalizing orifice. Inspect the equalizing orifice for dirt. Clean it out with a needle if necessary. Place a light under the equalizing orifice and check if light can be seen through the hole. Disassemble the valve top cover by removing the 4 screws. Place a light behind the cover and inspect that light can be seen through the pilot holes. Dismount the closing spring. Carefully remove the diaphragm, inspect and clean. Check the 2 O-rings. Clean any dirt from the valve body. Mount the diaphragm. Ensure that the valve cone is facing downwards. Mount the closing spring with the widest part on the diaphragm. Reassemble the cover according to the marked line. Insert the O-ring and press it down. Reassemble the actuator system. Reassemble the equalizing orifice. At the end, check the functionality of the armature with the permanent magnet. Power can also be connected for testing if permanent magnet is not available. Easily mount the coil with the Brilliant click-on system. Mount the plug.